Well, good morning. It is the 10th of May 2026, and today is the first day of the Tour de Faff 2026. So last year was the lake, the Yorkshire Dales, Peak Districts, Kielder Forest, all of that. This year we're basing ourselves southwest Scotland, just shy of Dumfries, and we're going to be doing Ayr, Dumfries and Galloway, the borders. So this year we've got myself, Steve, Dorset Rider, Nick, Ice Diddy, Joe, Kinda Go. We will be meeting up with Alex, the Adventures of Bleary View, tomorrow, and also hopefully travelling down from Dumfries way will be Ron, Chukter on a bike. There will be Buster Adventures, Scottish Biker Abroad, Gaz. We're also Tuesday going to be meeting up with Al, Target Al, and we were hoping to have met up with Darkside Biker, but I've not heard from him, so hopefully we'll be in touch. Now I am scrubbing in a brand spanking new front tyre, so no going silly. I've got about a 45-50 minute run to meet up with Steve and Nick. We're going to indulge in some breakfast, and then we're going to meet Joe at Aust Services just before you go over the Severn Bridge. And we're going to take the A49. Well, we'll go up through the Yeo-vile to start with, and then it'll be the A49 all the way up. Tonight we are staying in Northwich, a place called Lowestoft Graylem, and we got a travel lodge. Got 2 twin rooms in there. Tomorrow we'll be in the caravan. We booked one at Park Dean. We've got a gold one. So we've got one 4-bed, so we've all got a room, and then we'll be going out from there every day. Now the old bitch this morning, she feels heavy. She does feel heavy. I will turn you back on again once we get to Yeo-vile. Meet up with the other reprobate. Hopefully this time we're not going to have as much rain. I know we're going to have rain because it's Scotland. There'll be rain in the equation somewhere, so hopefully not as much as what we had in the lakes. If we do, we do. Right, so we are not far from Cartgate, where we're going to meet up for brekkie. So pretty uneventful run up from Weymouth. Managed to get to Morrison's to get some fuel, stop Nick whinging. Half the bloody pumps weren't working, and the lad that came out was, I don't know whether he's from Bangladesh or India or wherever, he's shouting across the forecourt at people that the pumps aren't working, and nobody can understand him, myself included.
Yeah, if you want to go, then you go to hill and go down.
Why you get fried,
yes,
man?
why? Are you crazy?
You're fucking paranoid,
you are fucking,
man.
you are fucking.
You fucking bloody.
You bloody.
Fuck you, bloody. Bastard, bitch.
You
fuck you,
bastard,
fuck you. Bloody, fuck you, bloody.
Saying, oh, pump not working. Well, put a friggin' sign on it saying it ain't working. Never mind. We got there in the end. And there we are, straight across the roundabout, and we're in the Cartgate. I've no doubt the other two will be there already. Here comes Mr. Dick. Mr. Nick, Ice Diddy.
It's Tour de Faff number 1.
We shall see. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you? I just called you Mr. Dick.
Mr. Dick, you're not far wrong.
Confused between Nick and Diddy.
Just go with Wanker from Yeo-vile.
Finally, he's here. Don't be late, he says. Morning, wankers. We've been sat on our asses waiting for him. We made it. We made it. And I fueled up.
No
well
way.
Done. Well done.
What's the matter with you?
Yeah, she's well loaded. And here we are at Cartgate with said wankers. Look at Steve, look, he's like a rabid dog trying to get in there. Like a dog with two dicks trying to get in there. Still, time for brekkie. Catch up when we get back out. There it is. Good start to the day. Even these two have had a man-sized one. Birthday to you! Testing, testing. This is Cartgate calling.
Fucking mountain mighty.
Oh, I'm an arsehole. See, the faff has started already. Look, I haven't put my rear camera on.
What a
Here we go. Well, I can't get it on anyway, look, because that's on there.
Exactly.
Oh well, that'll cut down on the footage, so I'll only have a front-facing camera. Well, that was a very enjoyable breakfast.
It was. Very nice breakfast.
Probably find I've left my wallet, my house keys on the table.
Well, as I said this morning, I nearly left my hard drive behind.
So did I. It was only when we were on that live last night that I remembered the two SSDs. Right then, Wales, here we come.
Yeah.
Cider mill. Anyway, we're all right because Nick said it's Sunday, it'll be quiet.
Well, you know what a lying wanker
Oh,
I am.
look, we can use the bus lane.
Can we? Yeah, we can. What are we doing?
Right, we'll have some of that.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. There we go. 3 £100 fines coming up.
Yes, that's what I thought. It definitely said motorcycles though, doesn't it?
It did.
wonder if Joe's got his helmet on. Joe!
Oh!
Joe, time to go.
He'll be in the fuel station.
Right, there's cameras there, clocked us coming in.
Yeah.
No HGV services, yeah, excellent. Who's that over there? To the left, to the left, to the left. Nope, nope. There's a load of bikes there. Right, we're at Aust Services waiting for Joe. So we're going to have a coffee.